How to log out of Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to log out of your Diablo Immortal game, first thing to do is to launch open the game on your device, and then once you're inside the game, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the menu button. Inside the expanded menu, tap on the gear button. Now this will take you to General. From here, scroll down and tap on Account, and inside Account, you'll see a Logout button if you've logged into your account in Diablo Immortal. Click the Logout button and confirm the logout action by tapping on Logout once again. Right after you do that, you'll be logged out of your Diablo Immortal game. Make sure you always remember your login method, which can be a Google, Apple, or Battle.net account. If you don't remember your credentials, don't log out of your account just like that. So that's how you log out of your Diablo Immortal game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.